All right, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Well, it's Christmas for me already because Tonya Powell Edwards is here, the owner of Tonya's Body Care, and she's here to show her beautiful line of body Scent-sational. You get that? Body Scent-sations, oils, soaps, creams, body scrubs, the works. Good morning, Tonya.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Welcome to our wonderful studio, and thank you for summoning it up.
I'm excited to be here.
Okay, tell me a little bit about the inception of Tonya's Body Care.
All right, so I'm Tonya, and the business is called Tonya's.
Oh, Tonya's.
Close, but
Oh,
yeah, a little spin on the name. And we registered in 2015, even though we officially started in 2016. So it started as a hobby and me doing products for my family. So as of 2015, everything that we use on our skin is made by me.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yes. And you are like clean skinned, so that must be amazing.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about the products that you decide to make, and you make them, right?
I make them. I make them. We started out with my underarm cream. I call it it's a deodorant, but I call it underarm cream because we have to be a little different.
Where heard that?
And that is right over here.
Wonderful.
Right.
Let's
that was the first, very, very first product that I made.
And this one keeps you fresh? Like fresh? So you lift it up and smell it? Oh, she really did. Okay, so this is the underarm cream.
Yes.
So it's a replacement for deodorant,
It's
which
a replacement.
has no aluminum
it
oxide
has no,
in it.
no. And I've been using this my entire family since 2015. And we have some customers who rely on us to make it for them on a monthly basis.
This is fantastic.
Yes.
I love it. If you tell me, so this can keep me fresh, I'll get it, you know.
Of course it will. I have customers who, if I don't make it, they have my head.
Oh, well, that's fantastic.
Yes.
And what came next?
And then from there, I started making my own oils for my skin. And so once I started doing that, people were like, friends and family were like, well, you have to make it for me. And so we moved on into our oils. And so for this morning, we brought our ginger lemongrass oil.
I'm going to smell it. I have to
smell it.
I'm sorry. All right.
And you just...
So it has a coconut base?
It has a coconut base.
See that?
But
you see that, guys?
Tell me what else might be there. Well, the others...
I smell the ginger and I smell the
lemongrass,
but I
grapeseed, and all those wonderful natural oils for your skin.
Nice.
Yes.
So where I use that? Just on my skin, not in my hair or anything?
You can use it on your hair. Initially, when I made it, it was an all-body thing, but I think people like the differentiation, but it is a very versatile oil.
Nice.
A great massage oil.
Ooh, why you say it like that?
A massage is great for everybody, you know?
Like you're just ready to get a massage right now.
Well, I mean, who doesn't want a massage at any time?
That's true. And then you ventured into the world of soaps.
And then soaps, right? Because once I started giving to friends and family and having to recoup the cost because I was using the natural oils and stuff, then I thought to myself, I need some training. And so I went to the Scientific Research Council and got trained in making soaps.
Amazing.
Yes. And so, you can just see the variety of soaps that are there.
I see turmeric, I see lemongrass, I see activated charcoal,
yes.
There's hemp, this has some pretty stuff.
This is lavender, and then it has some lavender buds on top.
Okay,
and if you want to take a whiff of that, yes.
Oh, that's yummy. So everything is natural. There's nothing that is added that can damage the skin.
No, lotions have to have a preservative. But what I try to do is to go into the information. So read the material safety data sheet to see what I'm using. Because if I'm not going to use it on my skin, I'm not going to give it to somebody else to use.
Okay, so Christmas is coming and I see baskets, everything ready. So tell me about how we can get these baskets.
All right.
Everybody wants to know.
I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on, where am I not? I have a website, very easy to get. You can call me on 876-796-7175.
And of course, your website is up on screen for anybody.
It is, thank you very much. Yes, there you go.
All right, them soap here smell like them can't eat.
That's food for your skin, that's my tagline.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yes.
I see what you did there. So the activated charcoal is good for people with acne, yes?
Acne and people whose skin needs detoxing.
Detoxing.
Yeah, so that can be a regular bar if you need to detox.
And the turmeric?
Turmeric is, a lot of people like toning. And so people with eczema and those kind of conditions get relief from like your turmeric bar.
Okay,
right.
And this pretty one here is red, but it has no
It has
this
no
is my
label.
color, you know, I'm just like,
This is a soap I actually did for a client who has their own store and they wanted to do their own labels and everything. It was a part of their fall collection.
as you say that, you said you did it for a client, so I can come in and have personalized soaps made?
Yes, you can.
No, sir.
Yes,
You're
you
too
can.
much. That's fantastic. Tanya's body care is all over the place this Christmas, guys. And Tonya Powell Edwards is the owner and the creator of all this fantasticness that you see. So go get some, rub it in your skin, give your skin some food. We have a break before we go. Thank you for stopping by. Oh,